boy, oh boy. These squatted truck boys are going to be exceptionally mad now. Man. Perfect. What is up, guys? Welcome back in TK's Garage, and today we're going to talk a little bit about another state dropping the hammer and basically making squatted trucks illegal. So, the state of Virginia has come out and made squatted trucks, as North Carolina did, because North Carolina does a lot of stuff first, illegal. What kind of person would I be if I didn't give you guys a cold start in the morning, huh? And piss off my neighbors. So the state of Virginia has now proposed this, where this would be illegal in the state of Virginia, just like it is in the state of North Carolina. Never can let a trooper in the state of Virginia be undone or be overdone by a person from North Carolina or a trooper from North Carolina. So here we are. Very interesting to me. I know that Whistling Diesel is probably ecstatic about this information, and I think like the only area for you squatted truck boys that's going to be safe is probably going to be South Carolina and maybe Florida, because Florida, man. But anywho's, let me know, very short video, short update, let me know what you guys think about the squatted trucks being outlawed now. Like, they didn't outlaw lowriders like across multiple states. Like, nothing has been shitted on as bad as squatted trucks. I just don't get it. I mean, y'all must have really pissed off a lot of people in these states for y'all to get y'all shit banned. That's all I can say about that, man. Oh, man. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Are you happy to see the squatted trucks in Virginia getting banned, or do you think that they should leave them alone? Personally, I don't give two shits. I think the squatted truck thing is retarded, but look, man, somebody might think that BMWs are retarded. It is what it is, man. Everybody is entitled to do whatever they want to do, but it is what it is, man. I guess the biggest thing is you got to kind of try to stay under the radar. If you're doing dumb shit in your car, stay under the radar. The reason why Mopars and stuff got picked on for a while, or are consistently getting picked on, and there's no more car meets and stuff like there used to be, are street takeovers. Taking over fucking intersections and interstates and doing donuts and shit in the middle of fucking a highway. That shit makes shit hot for everybody. You know what I'm saying? Well, if you got a squatted truck and you rear end a state assemblyman, which is what I'm being told happened in Virginia, they're going to outlaw that shit. That's how that works. So, let me know what you guys think in the comments below.